Hello, and welcome back to our channel where every video has links to our favorite products and services for the topics we cover in the video in the description. Today we're going to talk about the most surprising sources of indoor air pollution. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 culprits that may be negatively affecting the air quality in your home. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Coming in at number 5, we have cleaning products. While it's no surprise that cleaning products contain chemicals, what may be surprising is the impact they can have on your indoor air quality. Many cleaning products emit volatile organic compounds, VOCs, which can lead to respiratory problems, headaches, and other health issues. At number 4, we have candles and air fresheners. Scented candles and air fresheners may seem harmless, but they often contain chemicals such as formaldehyde and benzene which can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat. Taking the third spot is furniture. Many pieces of furniture, particularly those made from particle board or MDF, medium density fiberboard, can release formaldehyde into the air. This can be particularly problematic in newer homes that are tightly sealed, as the formaldehyde has nowhere to go. In second place, we have cooking. While we all love a home-cooked meal, the process of cooking can release harmful pollutants into the air. Gas stoves can release nitrogen dioxide and carbon monoxide, while electric stoves can release particulate matter. And finally, the number 1 surprising source of indoor air pollution is your carpet. Carpets can harbor dust mites, pet dander, and other allergens. In addition, the adhesives used to install the carpet can release VOCs into the air. So there you have it, the top 5 surprising sources of indoor air pollution. Remember, improving your indoor air quality can have a positive impact on your health and well-being. Check out the description below for links that'll help you remove the pollution from your home. If you found this video informative, subscribe to our channel for more great videos and make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, every video on our channel has links in the description to get you the best deals on the products and services in the video. And as always, thanks for watching.